right there? What's wrong? All right, we live? Yeah, look at that. That's Henry. Right there. You know, he knew Wild Bill Cody. Isn't that cool? He used to move the Wild West show around on a train. Later on, he became the foreman of the rail yard in KCK. The Bentleons, as they say. The Kansas City Bentleons. So I want to leave you guys with one thought. Hey, Trent, also, by the way, it was nice running into you tonight. You're a good friend. Hey, one thought that I want you guys to think about tonight. You know, they pulled a request for $300,000 for the hotel, and they're moving it up to the next couple of weeks. But today, there is no reason that anything to do with the hotel couldn't be public knowledge, transparent. Their corporation that they hold it in is funded 100% by the taxpayers. So we're the stockholders. And what the hell do they know about real estate? So we ought to be in every meeting, or every meeting ought to be public to do with the hotel. And any meeting that an NGO has over taxpayer dollars ought to be public. When you guys start figuring out the whole system's rigged, you'll get it. But listen to this. This is going to be an I told you so moment. So what they're doing right now, they've already picked who they're going to give the hotel to. And they're just slowly but surely doing all the deferred maintenance. And then what's going to happen is, presto changeo, this guy's going to walk in, ride in on a white horse, or maybe a little pony. I don't know if he could get up on a big white horse. But anyway, so he'll come in his white pony, and he'll be the guy that's saving the day. And this whole thing's being orchestrated right in front of us. Just think about it. I'll let it all go. I'll sleep well tonight.